Howdy folks, my name's Darren from RC Scale Models, and today we have another kit, and this is again another piece for my railway diorama. It's from Miniart, 1/35 scale. It's the railway signal sign. Kit number for this is 35566. So the instructions for the kit is actually on the box, so don't throw them away. So your first step will be working on the base and the actual pole, which is made of 4 segments for the signal. And then we have the upper part. Again, it's 4 more parts to extend it a little bit higher. And it's working on the actual signal lights itself. Looks like moulded as one piece, looks like this. And then you have clear lenses. I'm not sure if they are actually coloured already, or you may have to paint them. And then we have the arms. And we have the more arms as well, which are attached to the actual signal arms itself. Obviously they're red and white. I don't actually know what they mean. Obviously one means stop and one means oncoming vehicle, maybe. I'm not 100% sure how it's set up. There is some cable, I think, and some wire, because there is a winch type piece on this and some gears. And we have this piece at the back, is attached to it as well. Yeah, pretty cool. There are some more other stuff that they do for dioramas. Miniart, again, if you're in diorama building and you're looking for certain subjects, first place I would always check is Miniart, because they will probably cover you with the basics. So we do have some decals of some numbers and letters for the signals. We have some clear, so we'll get closer into that in a minute. So here is the first sprue. Here's that box on the side, and your signals for the colour lenses. Nicely done. No ejector pins on those pieces. Some of the lights, brackets, grab handles, steps, by the looks of things. These are really small parts, so be super careful cutting these off the sprue. And looks like there is a little bit of slide moulded for the lamp. Is that a lamp? I'm not sure. But again, highly detailed. Here is another one. So there is 2 of these. And we have, these are not the same, these are separate. So these are the main body of the signal, which is the iron pole type piece, nicely moulded with the bolts, or is it rivets? So there's 4 of those to make it square. Here's the base, and then these pieces are extensions to make it higher. So you're looking at about this tall, and you are looking this at about 5 centimeters. No, is that going to be 7? So you are looking at 10, 20, 27 centimeters high. So it's going to be a big piece. Small detail parts, cogs, grab handles, the actual signal arms itself. So highly fragile parts. You have to be super careful cutting these off. I can see myself cutting these and end up snapping, so especially these parts here and these, especially this one as well, super fine. You're going to probably end up seeing myself using metal rod maybe, or wire, or even stretch sprue, because if I'm not careful I can see these snapping, so it's going to be, you're going to have to be super careful. And here's a little baggie. It looks like we've got some string of wire and clear parts. So I have given you some clear lenses. Some silver rope to mimic wire probably, but I do have some wire. We shall see how we go about that. And we have two more lights. So there you are, my friends. There's another kit from Miniart. It's the railway signal sign, 1/35 scale. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.